This is what you're supposed to do when you have a KTM, right? G'day, welcome back to another chapter of the KTM series. Before we go into this video, I just want to give everyone a big thanks to the first video. I got a lot of positive feedback from it, and yeah, it turned out that first episode sort of went along a lot better than what I originally anticipated. So to all you guys that watched it and liked it and commented, and a big thanks to AJ for shouting it out and Lee Stewart for shouting it out. That was like an awesome help. I'm really glad that everyone that subscribed, like I said, I went from 0 to 70 subscribers I think in the first video, and the first video got more views than what my previous channel's first video did from a year ago, which says something. So yeah, thanks Hayes, I really appreciate that. So there's no point just sitting and talking about it. Let's just get straight into the video and just get it all out of the way and just do it. I don't know if you can see, but it's had multiple repairs in the past, and it's not just there as well. It's like some fine handiwork. It's been, whoo, look at that. Alright, so before I took the subframe off, I seen there was a bit of a problem with it. It's got a crack. You can see the crack right there, goes all the way along. She's buggered, mate. Not good at all. That's so much movement. That's crazy. The old shark teeth, mate. Dun 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 dun. One smelly, dirty ass carby. Yuck. Alright, see that? It's missing like half the seal, so which wouldn't have been doing it any good for running, really, like, at all. Let's take these fenders off, eh? Well, there's not really a whole much more left to do as far as pulling it down goes. Probably might rip the swing arm off just to do the bushes and rip the front wheel off, but it's got the front wheel left on now just for stability, and if I want to move it around it'd be a little bit easier as well. But yeah, I've definitely got to get that barrel off so I can get that on there. Then bob you around. Hey man, what's going on? A ride now in the bush? My bike's not registered. I can't. You bought another bike, so you got 2 bikes now. I can ride your other one. I'm on my way. Not the hill I was talking about.
I saw so much of ease on this thing, dude.
You're not really comfy on that. Oh, you saw that big sort of root that was sticking out. Slammed just straight into it.
I didn't hit the big tree when I come around the side in the eyes.
Yeah. How good's this? Oh wow.
How'd you going over there?
Oh, imagine sending it flying off that thing.
Right on that wood.